Hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog. This is our walk-in closet.
Pasok kayo dito. Ang ating walk-in closet, Bebe.
Yes! Okay, so it looks quite big but actually saktong-sakto lang siya. Na-realize namin dahil we have, storage of baby clothes, yung mga winter clothes. The space was perfect for that. Again, the modulars were all made by Braunworks. So, yan. Tapos may ilaw siya sa loob.
Ganda. At saka syempre marami rin kasi tayo mga formal clothes, workout clothes, our shoes also. So, sige, pakita mo muna. Ibida mo muna sa kanila, Bebe, yung side of the cabinet mo.
Wala masyadong laman.
Bakit?
Pinagbebenta ko yung mga heels ko and other stuff dahil di ko naman siya magagamit after I give birth. And all of the pin lights, so the pin lights that you can see over here, I love this choice that Architect Mario made, and of course Ken Surat also of Lat 209. Sila yung pumili ng mga lights kasi it feels like a studio when you're getting ready here. So maganda yung pin lights nila, and there again, the frosted glass windows, diniretso na rin namin dito.
Yeah.
Yan. And the West Elm chair na hindi alam ni Juancho yung binili namin.
Nandito na lang siya bigla. Pero ayan, so on a normal day, merong may setup kami dito with all Joyful's makeup, syempre our watches and stuff. Lahat yan nandito. So kita nyo, ang ganda ng salamin natin dito, may ilaw pa siya. Actually may mode yan disco mode. Pakita ko sa inyo Everybody. Yeah. Hindi yata pang disco yun,
Hindi Tapos itong parang area na to, pwedeng upuan ng kids while they're waiting for us to get ready. So parang siyang lounge area. Lalagyan pa namin to ng parang soft whatever, but we haven't done that. So, yan, di ba? Changes the mood.
Marami akong mga suit dito.
Wow.
Well, para sa akin marami to. I've never owned this much suits in my life before. Different colors and iba-iba ng mga sukat. At syempre iba-iba kasi ng mga gamit yung mga yan. So, we have a couple of choices. Syempre kasi nagko-corporate hosting tayo, mga wedding hosting and all of those other events. So, para may mga iba't ibang choices ako on hand, especially para dun sa mga nagmamadali na, kailangan na kaagad, wala nang time magpa-custom fit. Meron na tayo niyan. So, syempre nandyan yung other stuff ko. Ito naman guys, ang aking mga sapatos. Kita niyo yan? Do have our running shoes here. Basketball shoes. Actually, nagtatampo na to 5 months na siya hindi nagagamit Ano? Gamitin mo ako. Gamitin mo naman ako. Tagal na kasi. So, relax ka lang dyan. Dadating tayo dyan. So anyway, ayan siya. So dito naman, mga casuals, pants and other jackets and mga polo. Dahil summer na, nandito na tayo palagi nakatingin. So, dito naman yung mga pang-workout clothes and regular t-shirts ko. So, ayun lang siya.
So, from the walk-in closet, it leads to our master's bathroom. Let's go! Welcome to the master's bathroom. Okay, so all of our bathroom finishes are from Moderno. Pinag-match-match na lang siya ni Ken. So, gold yung for the bathtub. This one as well, diba?
Mga bathroom fixtures natin.
Bathroom fixtures, our sink, and even this mirror is from Moderno. So, we really love it kasi nakita mo yung temperature, yung oras. Tapos yan, this modular is also from Braunwerk naman. And for our master's bathroom, I wanted like a different look, parang green tiles. So pinagbigyan ako ni Ken at tinulungan niya akong maghanap ng match talaga. So sila yung pumili ni Architect Mario nitong tiles namin. I like the color so much. Our showers are also all from Moderno.
Yeah.
Ayan, tignan mo, pag in-on mo siya, digital din yung showers.
Sa lahat ng mga kailangan nyo with regards to bathroom fixtures and any
Home
home
improvements.
improvements, Moderno has you covered.
So we got the smart toilet for our master's area. You can control everything via the remote control. So,
Yeah.
So mag-flash. Diba? Ayan siya. Pwede mo rin i-heat. So heated yung seat namin. The bidet is also controlled there. Kanina hindi nyo nakita pero yung videographer namin, nung umatras siya dito, biglang tsyuk, bumukas yung toilet. Okay, so welcome to my little corner. When we were putting together the house, kinailangan ko ng reading area. So I like to lounge, and when I'm doing my Devo or when I'm reading to the kids, yan, bumili kami ng parang little corner for the kids to read their own books and for me to be able to read my own book as well. This is from Ashley Furniture. The kids' chair is from IKEA. The fan is from Dyson. And this one, isa pang piece of furniture that I really fell in love with from West Elm. So, nung nakita namin siya, sabi ko, ang ganda naman sobra ng cabinet na yan. Tapos yung top niya, marble. So, it took how many people?
5. Actually, sa sobrang bigat niyan, part na siya ng foundation ng bahay. So, wala nang galawan yan.
Hindi na siya pwede i-move.
Oo, hindi na. Wala nang galawan yan dyan.
Oo. So, favorite ko tong area na to kasi pag gising ko sa umaga, dito ako unang tumatambay. Before I even get my coffee, I get to read my Bible, I get to, pray a little bit. And yeah, it just encourages the kids also to slow down and read. Which leads us to...
Actually, ang tawag namin dito ay balcony room. So, guest room siya in essence. So, we have our Sleep AI bed over here. I love it kasi ito na nyo to, guys. Actually, hanggang upong-upo, masisit up mo siya. Kapag nandito ka, guest namin kayo, dito namin kayo papatulogin. Pero heads up, mga 4 a.m., pipindutin ko yung button dun sa Sleep AI app para makaupo kayo ng alas 4 ng madaling araw. Ano ba yun? Ba't nakaupo ako? Diba? So, yeah. There you have it! We hope you enjoyed our home vlog.
Yes, and syempre yun pala yung initial kasi we haven't lived in this house for a long time. So hopefully, you guys stay tuned for more home updates for Casa Trevino.
Bye guys. Papahinga na kami.
Bye!
As in, papahinga na talaga.
Ito na yun. Mga anak na ako! Ah!
Bye!